Hey you guys, it's me, Davey. Well, obviously you read the title, and today we're gonna be making some spicy frozen honey jelly. Technically, we're not using honey, we're using syrup. And yes, they're gonna be spicy, but they're gonna be spicy honey jelly chips. And just to make things a little bit more interesting, we're gonna have my mom taste the final results. Okay, so here's the sabores. We're gonna be making some Takis, one of Funyuns, why are they falling? One of Hot Cheetos, some wannabe Takis or Dynamite Doritos, some jalapeno cheddar Cheetos, some blue Takis, and my personal favorite, Flamin' Hot Papitas. I mean, Flamin' Hot fries. And we're just gonna be using corn syrup to make them. But that's it, we'll make it as simple as possible. Takis are seriously intense. I'm in the quietest room in my house, but I live in a very noisy neighborhood, so please ignore whatever apocalypse is happening in the background. Okay, so first we're gonna start off by grinding them up. I'm gonna be using this blender. Doesn't even look like a blender. The whole cutting thing's on the top. A reverse blender, I guess? Anyways, we'll just blend them up and then we'll just add them with syrup into a bottle. Last time I used a blender, they didn't look like this. First, let's go ahead and blend the Takis. Now let's blend it. Oh, I think that should be good enough. We'll just place it in a cup for now, and we'll blend the others. Now let's do the Hot Cheetos. Blend those ones up. These almost look the same. I'm gonna have to label them. Trying to go as fast as I can. All right, moving on to the next one. Now let's do the Funyuns. Okay, and let's blend them. Wow, look at that. It wanted to live. Let's put it in a cup. Now let's blend the wannabe Takis, the Dynamite Doritos. Oh, you know what? These actually smell really good. Let's blend them up. Oh, these ones were a bit more tougher to crush. Now let's do my personal favorite, papitas. I mean, hot Cheeto fries. Let's blend them up. Oh no, our blender is broken. Oh, here it is. Why does it keep getting unplugged? Yo, some of these are way too easy to crush. I love it. Put it in here. Finally, some different color. Now we're gonna add some blue Takis. That was too much. All right, let's start blending. Let's go. Should be ready. They kind of look green to me. Let's put these ones in a bigger container because I ran out of containers. Now let's do the Cheeto Jalapeno. You know, I've never really tried these. Let's blend them up. Done. Okay, now they're nice and labeled so I don't get confused. And I'm gonna put them in bottles now. Okay, let's do the blue Takis first. Put a little funnel. Okay, let's pour in the Takis in the funnel. Whoops, filling so much. Oh no, is it full? Keeps getting stuck. That should be enough. Now let's add the corn syrup. Now we're gonna have to mix it in the bottle. Let's add a little bit more syrup. Not too much though. I'm hoping these work. It worked last time I did it. I didn't fill it up all the way, but that's okay. I'm just gonna freeze them upside down. Now let's do the jalapenos. Jalapeno Cheetos. I've never really tried these, but these ones actually smell pretty good. Whoops. Now we'll add the corn syrup. These actually look kind of gross. I mean, I already know they're not gonna be good, but my mom doesn't know that. This one literally looks like puke. Now we're gonna do the Hot Cheetos. Now we'll add the corn syrup. Now we'll just mix that up. Okay, so the next four look all the same. They're all red. So we're just gonna fast forward these ones and then they're gonna be done. And we're just gonna repeat the same process. Just add corn syrup to it. Let's fill them up with syrup. Okay, now we just mix all four of them. Look look at them. They look like hot sauces. Okay, so now that they're all done, I'm going to be freezing them. But before I freeze them, I'm going to decorate them and make them look nice and pretty. Make them look like they're actually from the manufacturer, like from Takis and Doritos. And like, I'm gonna try to make them look legit. We'll have my mom try them. And of course me, because I've only tried 2 of these, which was just the Takis. See you in 24 hours. We're gonna freeze them. Okay, it's been 24 hours and I have my mom right here who's gonna be trying them.
Hello.
And the first one we're gonna be trying is the hot Cheeto one. It's kind of blurry. Anyways, let's go ahead and try them. I'm gonna have my mom try it first, only because, I don't know, I just want her to try it first. You know, I was gonna keep them in the fridge because I thought they were gonna melt really fast, but it turns out that they're really hard to squeeze out. So we're just gonna be leaving them here because we're having a difficult time trying to squeeze it out. Oh, there we go, it's coming out. Let's see how it tastes. Ew, ¿verdad? Ew, ew.
Me sabe como cuando my mom me hacía unos chilaquiles bien buenos, rico.
She's lying, it doesn't taste good. Okay, well, now I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. It's not good. All right, let's taste another one.
Sabe chilaquiles.
No, it doesn't. It's gross.
Este.
We'll try this one. Oh, these are so hard. Okay.
Me recuerda cuando yo estaba chiquita, cuando mi grandma me hacía una salsa de ciruela bien buena.
I'm pretty sure my great grandma was a really good cook, but these are just not it. They don't taste good. I think my mom's just being nice, but she says she likes it.
I like it.
Not me. Not me. Now we're gonna do the blue Takis. Oh, never mind. We're gonna do Doritos. Oh yeah, microwave. Yeah.
Todo picante, está bueno.
No, she's lying. She's being nice. She's lying. You know what? It's not that bad. I like Doritos. Maybe that's why it's not that bad. It's tolerable. It's tolerable. It tastes okay. It's not good still. Now we're gonna try the blue Takis. ¿Qué piensas del color?
Se me hace muy bonito.
She thinks it looks
Green.
pretty. It's supposed to be blue, but it looks green. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one first. I put it in the microwave, by the way. I really thought they weren't gonna freeze, but they froze really good. That should be enough, because I'm not gonna eat all of it. It's not good. Yeah. No?
Está sour. Tiene mucho limón.
What? My mom doesn't like sour. Bueno or no bueno?
No, un poquito bueno.
No, it's not good. She's lying. I was able to tolerate this
A little
one.
bit good.
My mom's just a nice person. Now we're going to be trying Flamin' Hot Funyuns. My mom does not like Funyuns. For sure. I'm 99% sure she's not gonna like this one. Look at it. This one's actually satisfying to squeeze out. See, can you see that?
It's hot. It's hot.
That's a no. I knew it. That's a no. ¿No te gustó? Sí.
No.
No, she didn't like this one. Tolerable for me. My mom didn't like it, which I already knew because she doesn't like onion. Okay, now let's try the Takis one. Oh, she's stronger than me.
Sabe como a paleta de mango con chile.
My mom says it tastes like...
Paletita de mango con chile.
It's probably just the corn syrup that's making it feel sweet. No, not good. Okay, so now this is the last one. This is how they look. You know, I decorated them. I forgot to show them off, but I'll just put it in the thumbnail. You'll click on it if it looks good enough on the thumbnail. Wow, this one just came out perfectly again, see? No, but no. That was hot fries, and it was the most nastiest one. If you played Bamboozled, it tastes like the throw-up jelly bean. If you happen to get that. My mom's so happy that it's over. She was lying, I knew it. She didn't like them, you guys. They're not good. Okay, well, that's it for my mom. She's gonna be, it was very awkward, but you know, she's here, and she was happy to be here.
Sí, estoy muy feliz y muchas gracias. Y les mando muchos besos y gracias por todo y que tengan un bonito día.
So yeah, my mom is so sweet. That's gonna be it for today's video. Please subscribe. You don't have to, but I recommend. Anyways, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Como el que dice David, renegade, renegade.